Warren Buffett, the name echoes with financial prowess. This man needs no introduction. A billionaire, investor, business tycoon, but above all, a legend. Today we're peeling back the layers of this iconic figure, exploring his journey from humble beginnings to becoming the Oracle of Omaha. We'll navigate through the corridors of his life, touching upon the key moments that shaped him, the decisions that made him, and the persona that millions admire. So sit tight, because here's the story of the phenomenal Warren Buffett. Welcome to our channel, your place for the latest news and updates. Stay updated with us. Warren Edward Buffett, the man who would become the Oracle of Omaha, was born on August 30th, 1930, in Omaha, Nebraska. His birth was not marked by any extraordinary circumstances, just like that of any other child. What set him apart was the journey that lay ahead. His father, Howard Buffett, was a stockbroker and later served as a U.S. congressman, instilling in young Warren an interest in finance and politics. While his mother, Layla Stahl, was a homemaker, she nurtured values that were integral to the young boy's development. The influence of his parents was foundational, setting the stage for the remarkable individual that Warren would grow up to be. At the tender age of 6, Warren moved to Washington, D.C. With his father, who had won a seat in the House of Representatives, this was more than just a change of scenery. It was a chance for Warren to observe firsthand the political arena that his father inhabited. These formative years were not just about playing and learning. They were about experiencing life in a way that was both privileged and instructive. When Warren turned 7, he began selling packs of Gams and Coca-Cola to neighbors and friends. At the same time, he devoured books on business and economics, showcasing an early passion for finance that would shape his future. This period laid the groundwork for his entrepreneurial spirit. By age 13, Warren had filed his first tax return, listing his bicycle as a business expense. This was not just about taxes. It was about understanding the rules of the game. After graduating from Woodrow Wilson High School in 1947, Warren enrolled at the University of Nebraska. However, after 2 years, he transferred to the University of Pennsylvania's Wharton School, but soon left to enroll at Columbia Business School in New York City. It was here that he studied under the legendary Benjamin Graham, the man considered to be the father of value investing. This proved to be a pivotal moment in Warren's life, marking the beginning of his journey towards mastering one of the most potent tools of financial success. Buffett's professional journey began shortly after graduating from Columbia in 1951. He started working for his father's brokerage firm, but soon moved to work under Benjamin Graham at Graham-Newman Corp. This was not just a job. It was a crash course in the art of value investing. In 1954, Buffett co-founded Buffett, Falk & Co. with his friend and colleague, but returned to Graham-Newman in 1956. During this time, Warren Buffett opened an investment partnership called Buffett Partnership Ltd., with just $100 of his own money and $105,000 from friends and family. What followed was nothing short of spectacular. Over the next decade, Buffett delivered average annual returns of around 20%, a testament to the efficacy of his investment strategy. Buffett's foray into corporate America came when he took control of Berkshire Hathaway in 1965. Initially a struggling textile company, Buffett saw potential beyond its current state. He began buying shares, gradually gaining influence, and eventually transforming the company into a holding company for his investments. This marked the genesis of Berkshire Hathaway's evolution into a behemoth with interests spanning across numerous sectors. Over the years, Buffett expanded Berkshire's portfolio, investing in a diverse range of businesses, from insurance giant Geico to utility companies, manufacturing firms, and even candy companies like See's Candies. He didn't just invest in these companies, he became an integral part of their operations, offering guidance and ensuring long-term success. In 1967, Buffett formed the Buffett Partnership Limited, which focused on acquiring significant stakes in publicly traded companies. Notable investments included American Express, which surged by over 1,000% in a year due to Buffett's backing. Similarly, his stake in Washington Post amplified its value by more than threefold. Such successes cemented his reputation as a financial wizard capable of turning fortunes around with strategic precision. As the years rolled on, Buffett continued to diversify his holdings, making shrewd investments in companies such as Coca-Cola, Apple, and American Airlines. He didn't shy away from taking risks either. For instance, during the 2008 financial crisis, when banks were collapsing left and right, Buffett placed a $5 billion bet on the recovery of Goldman Sachs, an investment that yielded massive returns. Buffett's investment approach is rooted in value investing principles, a strategy pioneered by his mentor, Benjamin Graham. At the heart of this approach lies the belief that a stock's value is intrinsically linked to the intrinsic value of the underlying business. Hence, Buffett focuses on identifying companies with robust fundamentals, a competitive edge, and a history of profitability. Once he identifies such companies, he holds on to them for the long term, riding the waves of the market without letting short-term fluctuations dictate his strategy. Buffett's impact extends far beyond the realm of finance. He is a prominent philanthropist, having pledged to donate 99% of his wealth to various charitable causes. His commitment to philanthropy is exemplified by his annual donations to the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, an organization focused on global health and development issues. Furthermore, Buffett's influence in the world of business is undeniable. His annual shareholder letters, often exceeding 20 pages, are not just reports. They're financial narratives that offer insights into the economy, markets, and his investment outlook. Buffett's journey to the top has been marked by key achievements that have solidified his legacy as a financial titan. Becoming a billionaire in 1985, a milestone that signified not just wealth accumulation, but also the trust and confidence the market had in him. Being named the second wealthiest American by Forbes in 1998, a testament to his consistent performance and astute investment choices. And being recognized as the most successful investor of the 20th century by Businessweek in 2000 was a crowning achievement that underscored his unparalleled success in the world of finance. Throughout his career, Buffett has amassed a fortune that has made him one of the richest people in the world. His net worth, which is predominantly tied to his ownership of Berkshire Hathaway shares, often surpasses the $100 billion mark. This staggering wealth has not come at the expense of ethical practices. Buffett's reputation for integrity and honesty has remained intact, setting him apart in an industry that has often been associated with shady dealings. A man of many accolades, Buffett is widely referred to as the Oracle of Omaha, a title that speaks volumes about his investment acumen and his uncanny ability to foresee market trends. This moniker was not bestowed upon him gratuitously. It is a testament to his track record of successful predictions and his ability to guide Berkshire Hathaway to sustained growth and profitability. Beyond his professional achievements, Buffett is also celebrated for his philanthropic endeavors. Recognizing the privilege of his wealth, he has pledged to donate 99% of his wealth to charitable causes. Through the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation and other organizations, he's donated billions of dollars addressing critical global issues such as poverty, disease, and education. His commitment to giving back underscores his belief in social responsibility and serves as an inspiration for other wealthy individuals. Buffett's personal life is a study in contrasts against the backdrop of his extraordinary professional life. He has led a relatively private life, marked by simplicity and humility. Married to his second wife, Astrid Menks, he enjoys a quiet life in Omaha, Nebraska, far from the hustle and bustle of Wall Street. His hobbies are as unassuming as they come, enjoying a good book, sipping Coca-Cola, and catching a glimpse of the stars. Despite his immense wealth, Buffett is known for his frugal lifestyle, drives an old car, occasionally treats himself to McDonald's, and doesn't hesitate to use coupons. He lives in the same house he bought in 1958 for $31,500, a far cry from the lavish mansions one might expect a billionaire to inhabit. This down-to-earth nature makes him incredibly relatable and adds to his charm. As Warren Buffett once famously said, "Be fearful when others are greedy, and greedy when others are fearful." This encapsulates his investment philosophy, but also serves as a guiding principle for life. He understood that true success comes not from chasing fleeting trends, but from making sound, well-informed decisions. In the tapestry of life, Warren Buffett's thread is woven with excellence, making him a standout figure whose life story continues to inspire and intrigue. His life serves as a testament to the power of knowledge, the importance of values, and the impact one person can have on multiple industries. So there you have it, the extraordinary tale of Warren Buffett, the Oracle of Omaha. If there are any other inspiring figures or topics you'd like us to cover, don't hesitate to share your ideas in the comments below. We're always eager to bring you the stories that resonate the most. Until then, stay tuned for more captivating content. Thanks for watching.